I just got home from the gym and this was on my front porch step. It's the Hilti ProKit. It's brand new, it's coming out, it's a modular storage. Some pretty nice things with it. Now I've only touched this once. I kind of put the cart together and played with this. So what I'm giving you is just first impression stuff, right? So first things first, the boxes are lighter than say some of the competition. You might think pack out. Feels like thinner top, lighter sides, lighter, not as durable handles. However, the latches are really nice. One hand opening, two latches that open, rubber seal. This is a parts kit, and listen to it click shut. It's pretty secure. This latch is one-handed as well. It opens in the middle, opens like that. Now this one is my favorite. I'm going to lift this up so you can see it. I'm going to push it down. Just listen to the sound. You hear that click? It stayed down and engaged, and then disengaged, and then it goes back up. When you open that clip, it disengages these four hooks, and on the back side, these just are spring loaded. So now I'm going to engage it. Listen to this. It really clips nice. Click, lift. It is superior to anything I've seen yet on the market as far as disengaging and engaging. Really nice. This is one-handed open, same thing. All rubber overmold, just has a divider. And then this thing is massively huge. It needs to be a drawer. I mean, I'm looking at this thing and I'm thinking, you know, beer cooler. I need a drain. I don't know what the heck I put down there. It'd be heavy, or it'd be something I don't reach for all the time. Now, the dolly is pretty cool. So here's the dolly. And it's not I call it a dolly. It's not a dolly like that you can lift and transport things, but it's got these downward clips. I've only done this like twice. You just push down, and there's three metal engaged springs here. That's it. And then you can adjust this up or even underneath, and you can catch the metal clips. Let me see if I can do that, like that. So I can catch the metal clips of this top box so that it doesn't move, it stays together tight. Really nice. The wheels are solid rubber, or have rubber on them. Great for hardwood flooring. Solid axle. And then here, there's some sort of metal rack. I'm sure Hilti's got plans for that. Something's going to go there. But this is so intuitive. Just line it up, clip it in. It is so nice. And I think this dolly's got everybody beat. I really do.